What is it? Okay. Hey, keep it.
Should I do that?
Go ahead.
Should I do that?
Yeah, so you keep it.
No.
It's pennies, right? Okay, good. Keep it. Oh, I'm trying to get hold of her for hours.
Whenever it's time for lunch, don't wait it. That is.
I know, it's rude. I don't know. Yeah, if a cell phone is the only thing you have, you don't have no landline. If you have a cell phone and no landline, you want to keep in control of your phone more than anything, because the landline can ring anytime. A cell phone is the only connection you have. I know.
She's ignoring me and you.
Basically having a a cell phone, not a landline, it's like you ignore people faster.
And station on time for your shit.
Yeah, it's like
shit.
at least here a cell phone and landline, you can hear someone calling your landline, not your cell phone. If you have only one connection, I have two. Cell phone I don't use as much, only when I'm out.
She said, where's your cell phone?
Right over here.
No, that's not it. Where's your other cell phone?
It's around somewhere, but I have a landline. I have a landline, so someone can get a hold of me.
Nah.
So I have two connections, not just one.
Fuck you. Alright, I'm calling your cell phone right now.
It's around.
Call it?
It's by my pocket. Wait a minute. Yes, it is right here.
Yeah, whatever. Over and done with.
Well, I have two connections. If I just have one connection, I'll make sure that stays whoever calls.